Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox using your PS5. It's super easy, just follow along. First, open up the Roblox app on your PS5 and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the top right corner and click on More. From there, head into Settings. Now, one of the most important things, make sure cross-platform play is enabled. Just find that option in the settings and turn it on. That's step 1 done. Next, grab your PS5 controller and check if voice chat is working. You should see a microphone icon on the screen. If it shows up, it means your mic is detected and active. Now for the final step, this one needs your phone. Open up the Roblox app on your phone and log into the same account. Tap on More in the bottom right corner, then go to Settings. From there, go into Privacy and Content Restrictions. Tap Communication, and then select Voice Chat. Here, you'll see the option to enable microphone. Just tap on it, confirm it, and you're good to go. And that's it. You should now have voice chat working on Roblox for your PS5. Hope this helped. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.